Good morning, my dear students. Today I'm going to tell you about the vibration isolations. Okay, so this is also very important. So what is the main use of this vibration isolation in mechanical component? Okay, so this vibration isolation is nothing but what it is a method of reducing the unbalance or reducing the vibration, undesirable vibration which is present in the mechanical component, that is under in rotating unbalance or reciprocating unbalance component. Okay, so to reduce the undesirable vibration, so we are going to use the vibration isolations. Okay, what do you mean by vibration isolation? So here, because it is a systematic method, or it is a method of reducing the undesirable vibration in a reciprocating masses or rotating masses, that is unbalance, rotating unbalance, reciprocating unbalance. Okay, so with the help of some that is isolation, that is maybe a pad, elastomer, rubber, whatever, that is called as a vibration isolation. Okay, so here the main objective of this vibration isolations are what? To protect the delicate machine from the excessive vibration transmitted to it from its transmitted to its from its surrounding structure. That means what? If a machine component is fixed on the ground level, means there is a chance of transferring the vibration, okay, from machine component to the ground level. Okay, but with the help of, if you are going to use this isolation, that is vibration isolation, to the machine component, you are going to reduce maximum level of vibration from that produced in the machine component. Okay, so to reduce or to protect the vibration, that's it, the main use of this vibration isolation. Okay, second objective is to prevent the vibratory forces generated from the machine from the beginning transmitted to its supporting structure. Okay, so here if you take any electric motor, okay, so that in normally not only electric motor, turbine, generator, even if you look at the production companies, okay, there is a big size, there is a very big size machine going to fix on the ground level. Okay, so if you start that ground level machine, there is a chance of producing it, there is a transformation of vibration from machine component to the ground level. Okay, so to reduce this such type of vibration, we are going to use this isolation component. Okay, the third one is the effectiveness of the isolation may be measured in terms of the force or motion transmitted to that of existence. Okay, depending upon the component, depending upon the machine, depending upon the force, we are going to use different types of isolations. Okay, so that is about the third objective. Okay, so vibration isolators. Okay, so what are these vibration isolators? I told you these are the vibration that may be obtained by placing the isolation, okay, to reduce the vibration present in the machine component. Okay, so the term isolation refer to the reduce the that is what, interaction between the structure and the ground. Okay, structure nothing but the machine component, and which is going to fix on the ground level, so you are going to reduce the interaction vibration which is there in the that is what, vibration, and that is the machine component and ground level. Okay, so when the suppose here so many instrument we are going to use here, when the system that is seismic isolation systems is located under the structure, okay, it is referred as the base isolation. Okay, when the machine is fixed on the ground level, you are going to call as base isolation. Okay, so the other purpose of the isolation system is to provide an additional means of energy dissipation. Okay, so by using this circle, you can control the energy dissipation. Okay, thereby reducing the transmitted acceleration into the support structure. Okay, so not only the vibration, it control the energy dissipation also. Okay, so what are vibration? Same again, vibration isolation continuation. Okay, vibration isolations is a process of isolating an object. Okay, so differentiating the object, that is here object is nothing but the vibration. Okay, such as a piece of equipment from the source of vibration. Okay, the effectiveness of the isolation is expressed in terms of the force or the motion, okay, which is there in the machine. Okay, so lesser the amount of forces or the motion is transmitted to the foundation, greater is said to be the isolation. Okay, so if the force is large, there is a lesser amount of vibration you are going to reduce. Okay, so again depending upon the vibration, we are going to use the different types of isolations. Okay, here there are two types of isolation. First one is what, here the passive vibration isolation, and second one is an active vibration isolation. Okay, so it refers to the vibration isolation or a mitigation of the vibration by a positive technique such as a rubber, pads, mechanical spring. Okay, so in the passive vibration, you are going to use the rubber, pads, or mechanical spring. Okay, so whereas in active, it is also known as, it is related to the electronic component forces. Okay, so here we are going to use some electric power sensors, actuators, and the control system of the vibration isolations. Okay, so this I told already. So vibration isolation, nothing but same, the vibration isolations may be obtained by placing a materials called as vibration isolator. So these are some of the material or component that are going to fixed on that machine component, okay, between the vibrating body and the supporting foundation of the structure, where we are going to fix here in between that. Okay, so how we are going to fix the nut bolt, so in place of that we are going to use this isolation material, like this, what the vibration, that is what the elastomers, okay, that going to fixed in between the supporting and the foundation of structure. Okay, So these are some images, that is what the passive vibration, that is the passive vibration isolator. So these are the images, okay. These are the images we are going to fix. These are what the isolator, okay. So this is the isolation pad, okay. So this look at here. So this is a ground level one machine will be there, upon which we are going to fix the pad, okay. Because of this we are going to reduce some little bit vibration or to protect this component, okay. So here pneumatic isolator will be there, and this is the isolation of hanger, okay. So in between we are going to use some isolator, okay. So this is what the metallic spring, okay. These are the different types of isolator for the belongs to the passive vibrator, that is passive, okay. So second one is the active vibration isolator, okay, related to electric component, okay. So this is what the washing machine this is what on this is what the frame mountable active hard mount piezoelectric vibration control system, okay, upon which we are going to keep any supporting, okay, so that we are going to reduce the vibration, okay. So even if you look at if you when you are having in your home the washing machine, means you don't keep the ground, that is what supporting base. If you start that washing machine, means it will vibrate, okay. So if you keep on it that is on this, we are going to control the vibration, okay. So active vibration isolation table, this is the isolation table, okay. So this like this we are going to use some active vibration. So active vibration isolator means related to a component, passive means related to mechanical devices, okay, physical contacts, okay. So here some of the important consideration with an vibration isolator selection, okay. How you are going to select the vibration, that is isolation, okay, depending upon the machine location, and second one is the proper sizing, okay. So location of the isolator, okay. So as far away from the sensitive areas as possible, and one as rigid a foundation is possible, we are going to select the proper machine where we are going to fix, okay. That is very consideration is very important, how we are going to fix the location, okay. Proper sizing of the isolator, okay. Depending upon the, well, during manufacture only we are going to select the proper size, okay. That is the correct stiffness, sufficient travel to prevent the bottoming out during the shock loads or during the system startup and shutdown. We have to make the proper size while doing the manufacture of any component, okay. So location of isolator, okay. So same, the isolator should be equally loaded and the machine should be level, okay. So both should be in a constant proportion level, okay. Second one is a vibration isolation material, okay. So what are the materials we are going to use? These are the materials I told you in the first step only. So these are the materials we are going to use, that is what rubber, felt, cork, metallic, spring, okay. So these are the some different types of isolation we are going to use, okay. So rubber we are going to use what, here we are going to use the rubber, what, the shock absorber we are going to use, okay. This rubber felt we are going to use for the acoustic purpose, okay. These are put between the foundation and the vibrating body, okay. So this is very important. So they may ask you what you mean by vibration isolator and what are the materials you are going to use. At that time you have to write, okay. So vibration isolation, nothing but what, these are the it is a method of reducing the undesirable vibration present in the machine component, okay. So that is called as an vibration isolation. You have to write the example rubber, felt, cork, metallic, spring, etc., okay. So these are the some materials we are going to use, okay. That is the rubber, that is these are the felt, cork and the metallic spring, okay. These are the materials we are going to use, okay, for reducing the vibration isolator, okay. So like this we have to study the vibration isolations, okay. So this is also very important question for the point of examination, okay. They may ask you what are the importance of vibration isolation, okay, what are the benefit of using the vibration isolators, okay. So what do you mean by vibration isolator? So vibration isolators are used for what? It is used for to reduce the undesirable vibration which is present in the ground level, that is called as vibration isolator, okay. So otherwise definition says what, vibration isolation is a systematic method, or it is a method to reduce the maximum as much as level to reduce the undesirable vibration which is present in the what, the reciprocating unbalance and reciprocating unbalance, okay, is called as vibration isolation. And what are the different types of vibration materials? Rubber, pad, felt, elastomers, okay. These are the some of the example for this. Again there are two types of vibration isolation, that is one, first one is in passive, active, okay. Passive is related to the physical mechanical devices, and passive, that is active, nothing but related to electric component, okay. So these are the some they may ask you around 6 mark question, okay. You have to write like this, okay. So if you wrote images also, it is very good and well, okay. In examination you are going to get for good marks, okay. So you have to remember the objectives, different types of vibration isolation, and what are the materials, okay. So here materials, okay. So many materials will be there, okay. So you have to write only the main important, okay. So here we are going to use the cork, okay. Cork is used for the what, the cork is used what for what purpose? So it is used for the acoustic purpose, okay. And rubber is used for the what, rubber is used for what, the to reduce the from the what, the shock isolations, okay. So this is about the what vibration isolation, okay, isolators. Okay, so I hope you understand this, what is the meaning of vibration isolators, and what are the objectives, and what is the important use of vibration, and what are the materials, and what are the different types of vibration isolators. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, thank you.